After your SQL Saturday is approved and published by the PASS community team, your event is not yet publicly viewable on SQLSaturday.com. You can make a few changes to your site so that it looks its best before you go live and publish it onto SQLSaturday.com. This will make sure that your event is best positioned to attract sponsors, speakers, and attendees when you do go live. I will be going over the steps you need to take after your event has been published by the PASS community team. This includes how to edit your content on your homepage of your SQL Saturday event, how to edit your sponsor plan, how to set custom sponsor levels, and finally, how to go live and send out your call for speakers email. We recommend that you make these changes as soon as possible after your event has been published by the PASS community team. This is to maximize the time you have to promote your event. Ideally, we recommend that you do this all within 1 week of being published by the PASS community team. Let's get started. This is a demo SQL Saturday event that has been published for the purposes of this webinar. Your event will look very similar immediately after being published by the PASS community team. You can see that there is some basic information on your event website, but you can customize 2 specific areas of this site. The first of these is your event homepage. This will appear right below the session glimpse area. In this area, you can add additional information such as directions to your venue, parking, and more. The second area that you can edit is your sponsor plan. You can find your sponsor plan under Sponsors, Sponsor Plan. Your sponsor plan is where potential sponsors will get an idea of the different benefits they can have from supporting your event. You will see that your sponsor plan is pre-populated with standard information. The second area that you can edit is your sponsor plan. You can find your sponsor plan under Sponsors, Sponsor Plan. Your sponsor plan is where potential sponsors will get an idea of the different benefits they can have from supporting your event. You will see that your sponsor plan is pre-populated with standard information, but you can provide more information about sponsor benefits and event details. Changes to both of these parts of the website are made through the SQL Saturday admin portal, which you can find at admin.sqlsaturday.com. I will start with making edits to the event homepage. First, navigate to admin.sqlsaturday.com. Sign in and then select the event you would like to manage. Go to Event Settings, Edit Homepage Content. You can type content directly into this field. You can add links, images, and basic styling using the buttons at the top of this field, and the content will appear on the home page of your website. I'm going to paste in some content that I've written outside of this field. And before I publish this, I can click Preview Content to see how it will appear on the website. I can return to the editor by clicking Edit Content. And if I'm happy with this, I can click Save Content to publish it directly to the homepage. You'll see the update was successful. I'll return to the homepage, hit refresh, and now this content appears on the homepage of my website. To update your sponsor plan, go back to the admin portal, and under Event Settings, select Manage Sponsor Plan. This editor is very similar to the editor for homepage content. Again, you will notice that this field is pre-populated with standard content and some content pulled from your event request. In this area, you will provide information about sponsorship benefits and provide more information about why a sponsor should support your event. I'm going to make a small edit to the sponsor plan and add an additional sponsor level. This one will be called Platinum Sponsorship. Once I finish making these edits, I'll hit save. You'll see that the update was successful. And then when I return to my sponsor plan, you'll see that the change has been reflected on the website. Of course, this new sponsor level is currently only mentioned in the sponsor plan. You will need to update your sponsor sign-up form to include this sponsor level as an option for sponsors to sign up with. In order to do this, we need to add a custom sponsor level. In order to edit and add new sponsor levels, navigate back to the admin portal and then go to Event Settings, Manage Sponsors. Then click Manage Sponsor Levels, and you will see all of the sponsor levels that are currently available for sponsors to select when they sign up. These are the default sponsor levels, with gold, silver, and bronze being pre-populated with the information provided in your SQLSaturday event request form. Personal sponsor and blog sponsor are other levels that are pre-populated. Each sponsor level includes the following attributes. Price. This is the amount the sponsor needs to pay in order to be a sponsor at that level. The number given here is in your event's currency, again defined by the currency from your event request. The display order. This is the order in which these sponsor levels are ranked on your website, with the smaller numbers appearing closer to the top. Allow web select. This option turns on and off the ability for sponsors to select this sponsor level on the sponsor sign-up form. If, for instance, you're only allowing one gold sponsorship, you can turn this option off so that sponsors cannot select this sponsor level. Participate in raffle. This generates a speed pass ticket for this sponsor. This can be a sponsor benefit that only certain sponsor levels have access to. You can see here that participate in raffle is true for gold, silver, and bronze, but it is also false for personal and blog. This means that speed passes will only be generated for gold, silver, and bronze sponsors. Finally, you can edit any sponsor level by clicking the edit buttons to the side. You can also delete a sponsor level by clicking on the red X's next to the edit button. You can add a new sponsor level using the form at the bottom of the page. Fill in the details for our platinum sponsor level that we created. Once you have filled in these details, click Create Sponsor Level, and you'll see now that there is a platinum sponsorship level with a price of $2,000 displayed above all other sponsor levels. You can see how this will be reflected on the SQLSaturday sponsor sign-up form. I will navigate back to the SQLSaturday website and go to Sponsors, Sponsor Sign Up, Sign In, and under Sponsor Level, you will now see a Platinum Sponsor option from this dropdown. Once you have made these changes, you are ready to go live. When you go live, your event is listed on the SQLSaturday website as an upcoming event, and details will be sent out via the past Twitter account. You can choose when to go live based on what would work best for your event. To go live, go back to the admin portal, and under Event Settings, select Site Settings. In the Go Live section, you'll see this yellow button, and when you click this, your website will immediately go live on the SQLSaturday website. In this section, you'll also see the details for the Call to Speakers email. A Call for Speakers email is a standard email that is sent to all speakers who have submitted to speak at SQLSaturday events in the past 2 years. It will include details of your event and how to submit a session. You cannot make any edits to this email. You can choose when to send your Call for Speakers email. You can click the Send Now button to send this immediately, Or you can schedule this message to be sent at a particular date. When you schedule the call for speakers email, it will be sent out at 0000 UTC. If you'd like to schedule this, type in the date you would like it to be sent and then hit save. Once you have taken these steps, your SQL Saturday has gone live on SQLSaturday.com and is showing all the most up-to-date information. A message has been sent to speakers informing them of your event, and you are now ready to begin promoting your event more broadly to seek attendees, sponsors, and speakers.